what we feel is that within Nagaland, also we should have these civil society organizations within Nagaland itself. Because in Manipur we have this UNC, United Naga Council. So Nagaland here also we should have. And then if necessary, even in Arunachal or Assam also. And then after that, they can come together. Then they will decide on what manner we have to go about the overall the apex Nagaho. But we feel that within Nagaland, this is, has become a necessity. So that was also discussed. People are optimistic about that. Of course, now opposition-less government, we are becoming closer, and anytime we can come closer, and everyone understands each other. And time is crucial for this political solution. So we are all trying our best, and we believe that we will have a better consultation with them also. There is no misunderstanding, nothing.
It's a very good question. This is already spelled out through various platforms in the past, but to make it clear to the Naga public, today's meeting or consultation had various agendas, not just women reservation. So the government decided that we'll first have a discussion with all the tribal bodies. Then this is only the beginning of a series of consultations we're going to have. If you look at the array of agendas we have discussed today, these agendas can never be finalized in a day. So this is the beginning of consultations that the government wants to make on certain policy matters which will be important for the future of our state. Therefore, this is a consultation where we have included, based on the agenda, only tribal bodies. In the next consultation, both in a focus group and also in a larger representative consultative meeting, we will be inviting all stakeholders.
We had a problem last time when we tried to conduct election. Now we have to be more careful. So proper consultation will be there, even with the women group also. But what we feel is that if we can frame our own modalities and if we can frame our own rules and pass in the Nagaland Legislative Assembly as an act, pass an act, that may be better for us. So this is what we're thinking in our mind. I don't know how far it will be. I don't know how far it will be practical, but we have to try that. So to frame our own modalities, this is important for us. This is what we have discussed. So the women are also given chance. Men also that are also given chance. And we don't want to discriminate the women. It is not our desire. So, but we want everybody to come on board, agreeable, and then after that go for election.
Assess, discuss, consult. We have had this meeting on the basis of the report submitted by Cabinet Subcommittee. So the next way forward is to have everyone on board, as our Honorable Minister has rightly said. And today was a discussion to that effect. The various tribal bodies that were present today, they had also suggested that they want to see the report of the Cabinet Subcommittee. And as I've already mentioned, in the series of consultations we'll be having, our attempt, as mentioned already by Honorable Minister, is to bring everyone on board and have a workable, acceptable framework where it will be passed in the Assembly as an act, and upon which we will take necessary steps on the basis of that. But the attempt is to consult every stakeholder and take everyone along and come up with a workable solution to this issue that has arisen because of our the Green 2018 issues.
We are aware one state level committee was formed, Joint Consultative Committee, with CNTC, NPO and TPO as members, and also the 4 non-Naga scheduled tribes of the state. So with them already meetings have been conducted, and the districts also, district level subcommittees are conducting meetings. So till now, out of 12 districts, 10 have already conducted meetings. We have the minutes also. And the general sense we are getting is that some more round of meetings will happen, which the DCs will also conduct, and we will also be conducting here. And as you know, the reports have been shared, and in fact it was placed in the assembly also. So they are well aware of the content of the report, but as I said that some more round of meetings will be required before the final contours of the modalities will be finalized.